Disney knees. A pose characterized by leaning forward and bending one's knees inward. Gained popularity through Disney Channel stars in the early 2000s, with a notable example being Demi Lovato's performance of This Is Me from Camp Rock. The term itself emerged on social media in the 2020s, as millennials and Gen Z creators highlighted this distinct pose among past and current Disney-associated stars like Olivia Rodrigo and Sabrina Carpenter. More recently, in 2025, a viral TikTok trend developed around the pose, featuring people at Disney parks performing a scripted exchange before striking the Disney pose to the tune of This Is Me, a trend that has seen high engagement, including participation from figures like Demi Lovato herself.